This is my Krups XP1500. Been challenged to a race with it, and we're going to see how it does this morning. What I've done is I've loaded it up with 6 cups water. I don't know if you'll be able to see this with the black and the clear, but that's what's in there. Coffee's loaded and we're ready to go. I don't have a timer, but we will use the time on the movie for those purposes. So we're going to start it here with a few seconds into the movie, and we'll just mark it from there. Go. Now I know that watching a bunch of coffee brew is not going to be the most exciting thing in the world, so I have a little entertainment planned for you here in just a couple seconds. We'll wait until the drip gets started, and then we'll move on to the entertainment. Oh, that didn't take long. A couple seconds and it's already dripping. And now it's turning black and starting to fill in nicely down at the bottom of the pot. So while that's going on, we'll move on to the entertainment portion of the movie. Here beside me, giving me moral support and helping me make the coffee, Brother James Brown. Alright, see where we are. Coming up, well, probably got about 3 cups in there, maybe 2. We're easily the halfway mark. We appear to be at about the 3-minute mark, maybe a little more since we began. the microphone is picking up the crackling behind me, but that's my frying pan heating up. That's not part of the sounds of the coffee maker. Get ready to make some eggs and bacon. And usually when the Krups is done, I get a nice little shot of steam coming out from the front of it. You can already see it starting to get moist there around the crack, and there's steam starting to flow up out of there. We're getting at about 6 cups there. And it's down to just this last couple of drips of moisture coming out of the filter. This is the way it typically works for me when I put 6 cups in the carafe and fill it up. I get a little bit less from the water that stays in the filter and in the coffee grounds. But that's it. Mark it, and when I review the video, I'll have a better idea of exactly what the time was. We'll see how it measures up.